Hey everyone, my name's Olinga and I create videos on tech, mechanical keyboards and digital art. Today, I'm going to be sharing my long-term experience with the Keychron Q1. When you think of mechanical keyboards, you think of the old, sturdy, classic-looking keyboards from the 1980s. But today, I'm going to be sharing why the Keychron Q1 is a great choice for everyone. The design of the Keychron Q1 is a sharp-cornered, squared-off design with a somewhat industrial look. It provides a 75% layout which includes a dedicated function row with Mac-specific functions that work perfectly without any hiccups on my 14-inch MacBook Pro. The build quality of the Keychron Q1 is premium. It is quite heavy and definitely feels premium when you hold it. The aluminium casing contributes to this. Overall, I really like the slightly angled design of the Keychron Q1. It provides for a comfortable typing experience. The pricing of the Keychron Q1 comes in at $139 on the US website. This is already an affordable price for a custom mechanical keyboard. If you're willing to buy it from other websites, you can find it even cheaper. I bought mine from PC Case Gear for about 170 Australian dollars. The Mac Retro PBT keycaps have been great. I've really enjoyed using them. I have used them before and I decided to buy them again as they are affordable at $39. They are made from the thick PBT and have a nice sound and feel to them. I definitely recommend these to anyone who is looking for a great affordable keycap set that is Mac compatible. The CableMod Pro USB-C cable has been great. I really like the aesthetics of it. I love the look of this cable as it really makes the keyboard feel more premium. I bought this straight from the CableMod website. They have a range of mechanical keyboard cables at different price points. The material of the cable is very durable and will last for many years to come. I recommend this for anyone who values aesthetics when it comes to their custom keyboard accessories. The Keychron Q1 is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems. I have been using it for my 14-inch MacBook Pro and it has been great for my needs. I appreciate that the function row works flawlessly and comes in handy when I need to adjust volume, skip, pause or play a song, and view all of my windows in macOS. I feel like this is a great keyboard for all Mac users, as the keys and functions are identical to those on MacBook laptops. The wrist rest that I've been using is a simple DIY project that I thought would be an easy way to save some money. I simply bought a $4 plank of wood from Bunnings and measured and cut the piece so that it fitted perfectly with the Keychron Q1's dimensions. It provides a smooth and comfortable typing experience as it raises my wrist to avoid wrist fatigue and potential carpal tunnel. I recommend it if you have the skills to make your own wrist rests instead of buying $50 pieces of sanded wood. My typing experience with the Keychron Q1 has been great. Combined with the wrist rest, it provides an ergonomic position for my wrists which allows me to stay productive for hours, whether it be for university or YouTube. I enjoy the tactile feel of the switches and it is overall a more satisfying experience when compared to regular low-profile keyboards, as there is a tactile bump as each key is pressed. I would definitely recommend this keyboard for anyone who really enjoys the experience of typing on a mechanical keyboard, but also wants to customize parts of the keyboard themselves. The RGB lighting on the Keychron Q1 is satisfactory. However, I don't really like all the different colors on it while typing. I either have them off or have it on a simple white backlight as it suits the keycaps better. They get bright enough to see the legends while the environment around me is darker. The switches that I've chosen to use with my Keychron Q1 are the Boba U4T switches and the Gateron Milky Black switches. I feel like this combination of switches provides a great sounding keyboard and a comfortable typing experience. I don't feel wrist fatigue whilst typing. If you want to know how I modded my Keychron Q1, there's a video I made recently about this. I go through the process of modding the keyboard and all of the materials that I used to achieve my desired typing sound and feel. Here is a quick sound test of the keyboard before I modded it and after I modded it. To be completely honest with you, the mechanical keyboard world is quite a rabbit hole, and once you get in, it's quite hard to get out. It can cost quite a lot of money when you get really enthusiastic about it. I recommend using a mechanical keyboard as it reduces typing fatigue and it is a more satisfying typing experience. Overall, the Keychron Q1 is a great mechanical keyboard and I would recommend it to anyone. If you enjoyed this video or learned something in the process, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It would mean a lot. See you in the next one. Peace.